Jewelries are the most impressive ornament that can be worn by both men and women. But did you know different jewelry have different story? Be it gold, silver or diamond. Every piece of jewelry has its significance and history. Kundan jewelry is yet another type of jewelry that can be worn at every occasion. A type of gold jewelry known as kundan typically has a wax core, since the word kundan itself refers to highly refined pure gold. This kind of jewelry typically uses 24 karat pure gold with a long history dating back more than 2500 years. Kundan jewelry is one of the oldest types of jewelry in India. Only the jadai portion, which is finally referred to as kundan, is done in 24 karat gold because the rest of the jewelry cannot be manufactured from it because it is little softer. Jadau jewelry is another name for the craft of creating kundan. History of kundan jewelry. Kundan jewelry is one of the earliest types of jewelry made in India with origins in the Rajput and Mughal eras. The Mughal support allowed this style to flourish after it was introduced to the nation many years ago. Royal families in India successfully adopted it. After then, the art and craftsmanship from the Mughal and Rajput era may still be seen in type of jewelry today. The making of Kundan jewelry. Making ghat in 24 karat gold, often referred to as ghadai, individual pieces built with golden stripes, is the first step in the creation of Kundan jewelry. Thin golden stripes that are chopped, coined, and molded into the shape of a common mold like framework are used to create the image. The most crucial action to lay the piece groundwork is the one. In the second process called khudai, the exterior surface is engraved with the necessary patterns and designs. This procedure involves filling the framework with gold or lakh, which is then etched. This technique essentially entails etching the intended pattern or design onto the jewelry item's surface. The carved design on the gold surface are then filled with various natural colors in a process called meenakari. Finally, jadai is performed to put expensive rare stones like diamond, polkis, emeralds, sapphires, and rubies in the piece of jewelry in order to enhance its beauty. In this method, the gem is set by sandwiching a gold foil between the stones and their mounting. Then, for enough grip, they are positioned on the jewelry item surface and supported by the gold foiling. Evolution of the art of Kundan. Kundan jewelry has historically featured extremely elaborate and exquisite motifs. It is used to be made for royal families. This jewelry design has changed over time and has even imitated in silver metal. When commercialization gained hold, the average person could also purchase this type of jewelry. The level of craftsmanship has decreased in contrast to earlier times as accessibility has expanded. Only the chosen craftspeople may now be relied upon to provide genuine high quality work. An item that used to take 3 to 4 months to create should ideally be produced in 1 month. But did you know how you can identify real or fake kundan? Having a thorough knowledge of authentic kundan jewelry is crucial when shopping. To find the difference between fake and authentic pieces, one must fundamentally understand jewelry and craftsmanship. Kundan jewelry should, however, come with quality certification from the jeweler since it is set in 24 karat gold. To reduce the possibility of fake jewelry, you may also look for genuine stamps on the jewelry. But have you ever thought why brides wear kundan jewelry? Kundan is frequently used at weddings because of its refined and graceful appearance. Indian traditional jewelry has always been quite bulky and made up of large gold pieces. Kundan jewelry is currently being made lighter in weight with time, and Indian brides are once again embracing it. Every bride wants to shine on her wedding day, and royals prefer this jewelry style for a reason. Heavy diamond sets frequently do not match the traditional bridal outfit or kundan jewelry. So next time whenever you buy a kundan jewelry, make sure you buy the best one. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.